Welcome friends. In this tutorial we will learn about how to find and replace text. Here our document is very small that contains only one paragraph. But if our document is big enough that finding some text becomes very hectic, we have one option that will help us. Go ahead and find editing group in our home tab, and the first option is find. Click on find and a dialog box will open. Here we can type any text and we can search that text into our document. For example, India. After typing the text, go ahead and click on Find Next. As you can see, in our document, India is selected. Now again click on Find Next. Again, the next find is selected. So this is how it will search in the entire document and show us all the places where our given input is found. This becomes very handy when a large document is given and we have to search for some specific text. In addition, there is a replace tab which is very useful. Suppose we want to replace one word with another or one sentence with another into our document. To do that, in find what, write down the word or the text which we want to find. For an example, India, and we want to replace it with Bharat. Now click on Find Next. It says the word has finished searching the document. That means all the found results have been explored, and the cursor comes at the beginning of the document. Now we'll click on Find Next. It has selected the word India, and as we click on Replace, it will replace India with Bharat. And immediately it has selected the next result, India, and we can click on Replace, and after clicking on Replace, it gives us a little message box which says Word has finished searching the document. We will click OK. Now if you want to replace all the text that says India with Bharat, you can do it by clicking on Replace All. This is how we can replace or find some specific text in our document. Thank you.